Hello everyone, this is my review of the Cheetos Flavored Crunchy Snacks. These Cheetos have been around for a while since I was a kid and I love eating them. They are pretty crunchy and cheesy. You can get cheese on your fingers, so you may have to keep them away from your clothes when you're eating them. But let's take a look. These small packs has a good portion size, so you don't eat too much or overeat, and it's good for giving them to the kids, so they have a little snack, but doesn't eat too much of these, because I'm pretty sure that's not good. But they're very tasty and good and cheesy, and I hope that this review helps.